it's Morgan with WTI.
This mid-century style record player stand from Possile is so beautiful. I really, really love having this in my home. It is absolutely gorgeous and so useful. I have been having so much fun finding different ways to decorate it and use it in my house. I love how it covers up the cords. It keeps everything looking so neat and clean. And you can use it in a lot of different ways. It doesn't have to be a record player, but it can hold so many different things, especially with this storage here. Those shelves are adjustable as well, so you can really just make it yours. The instructions were very easy. It came with everything that you needed already, so you are all ready to go with setup. It didn't take very long, and I appreciated how great the setup went and how it looks. It is absolutely stunning. I think it just adds such a fun, bright, and fresh look to a space that I have, and I love how much it holds. It's very useful and very, very pretty. I really like the white and the light wood tone because it just looks so bright and fun. This is so beautiful. I definitely recommend it.
I love this table, and that's my point of view.